What is the most messed up thing you've seen a friend do? 1. I knew a guy who could literally tie his to a knot. 2. I brought my friend to watch my boyfriend practice his drumming. She kept spreading her legs wide, wearing a skirt with no underwear. She ended up sleeping with him, and he left me thinking he was going to be with her. Needless to say, she didn't date him because she already had a boyfriend. 3rd, deliberately get knocked down by a car to prove that when drunk, and we were very drunk, his bones were flexible. Fortunately, the car had been slowing to turn. We spent a couple of minutes trying to reassure the driver that he was okay while calling my friend an idiot. Meanwhile, he was lying flat on his back, insisting he had proven his point. 4. Back in high school, I was leaving a keg party with a friend when a cat crossed the street. He sped up and ran it over. I lost it and made him pull over so I could check on the cat. It managed to get itself to the side of the road but died shortly after. I told my friend to go on without me, and I walked home. That was the end of our friendship. 5. I had a friend who owned a 9mm handgun and liked to put a replica bullet in it to pretend he was going to shoot people at his house. He would even go so far as to squeeze the trigger to really scare everyone. One night, drunk as hell, he pulled this trick on a friend of his roommates who had never been to the house before. Well, that night, the idiot accidentally put a live round in the chamber and fired. The bullet missed the girl's head by inches. He begged us not to call the police. We called the police.